You want to learn how I capture this image using a phone? Then this video is for you. Let's go. So you want to capture the Orion Nebula, the magnificent stellar nursery that is nearest to the Earth, and you don't know how? You come to the right place. So let's begin. In this 2 minutes, you are going to know how to capture the Orion constellation and the nebula. So let's begin. So before start capturing the photos, you need to know about pro mode in phone camera. So there are certain settings on pro mode, mainly shutter speed, ISO, and focal length. Another is white balance, but it is best to keep that auto. Shutter speed. Shutter speed is the time that the sensor opens and collects the light and closes. The more the shutter speed, the more light the sensor captures, and the more detailed is your photo. Now shutter speed, we usually keep it at 8 to 10, but if you have more, like 15, the better. ISO is how photosensitive is your sensor in the camera. So the more you increase the ISO, the brighter the image gets. So we will keep the ISO at 1600 to 3200 on this Samsung A52s 5G. That is my phone. You may find it different, but I encourage you to use the hit and trial method. Find the best settings for your phone, but it will be around the settings I use. Especially this Samsung phone has a special feature in that area where the things that are in focus are highlighted with green when you adjust the knob. That is very handy. It comes at 0.6 to 0.7 focus, but your focus might be different. Now with this knowledge, let's get capturing the photo, and let's wait it till it is night. So it is night time. So let's grab the tripod and let's go. Using Stellarium app, set up the tripod and aim your camera at the Orion. Go to the phone camera app and choose the settings discussed before. Especially use a timer of 5 seconds to avoid the trails due to shakiness. So like this, use the hit and trial method to find the good setting for you, and unleash your creativity to get a perfect picture. The results are quite good, and after post-processing in Lightroom, they come out to be quite good. I hope you have learned something new today, something about astronomy and astrophotography. So like this video and subscribe to my channel for more astronomy content.